Hello friends, today's topic, these mutual funds have earned big profits. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Mutual funds are an indirect way of investing in stock markets. Direct investing in stocks is generally more profitable than mutual fund investing. But out of our observations of thousands of investors, we have observed the following. 1. Stock markets appreciate well over the long term, but many individual investors don't earn as much as the appreciation index such as Nifty 50, etc. Example, if Nifty 50 has given 16% per annum on an average in the last 3 years, large number of individual investors would have made much less than that. But since it is very difficult to calculate the yearly returns when doing SEP in stocks, investors feel that they have done well. 2. So, for the extra effort of selecting stocks and monitoring and investing with patience, many investors have not been sufficiently rewarded since they might have made some mistakes or due to lack of complete knowledge. In such cases, they may be better off investing in mutual funds since the returns could be better than your investment record so far. 3. Also, we have noticed in our workshop graduates and in YouTube channel members, many people don't do SEP with full discipline and regularity. On the other hand, at least when such investors are doing SIP in mutual funds, they save compulsorily since it gets automatically debited from their bank account. So, as stock market investors, you need to ask yourself and also check your performance if more than 2 to 3 years so far and see whether you are capable to manage your portfolio better than a mutual fund. You have to be honest with yourself and assess yourself and decide yourself accordingly if you should channelize a part of complete savings in mutual funds if your performance has been quite inferior compared to the index and mutual funds in general. We are sharing a list of top performing mutual funds in the last 1 year in different categories for reference. I make a note this is for the last 1 year in the mutual fund. Large cap equity funds 1. Quant large cap fund 48.56% 1 year returns. 2. JM large cap fund 47.70. 3. Bank of India blue chip fund 43.88%. Now coming to mid cap equity funds. ITI Mid Cap Fund 72.25%, 2. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund 70.25%, 3. JM Mid Cap Fund 67.14%. Now Small Cap Equity Funds 1. Bandhan Small Cap Fund 75.3%, 2. ITI Small Cap Fund 67.93%, 3. Mahindra Manulife Small Cap Fund 67.7%. Now coming to Flexi Cap Equity Funds. 1. JM Flexi Cap Fund 68.33%. 2. Bank of India Flexi Cap Fund 65.21%. 3. Quant Flexi Cap Fund 59.96%. Coming to Aggressive Hybrid Funds. 1. JM Aggressive Hybrid Fund 56.44%. 2. Bank of India Mid and Small Cap Equity Debt Funds 51.51%. 3. Quant Absolute Fund 39.44%. Similarly, you can check the longer term performance of many mutual funds. Even if you have not selected the top performing fund, difficult to select best fund, still your returns may be higher than your own portfolio. If you are an investor who has been investing for at least 3 years or more, check your yearly performance or overall performance is as good. Many of you may be surprised that you have not beaten even the index performance. What we have realized over the last few years is that stock markets do well, but many investors underperform even though they have made decent profits. This could be because some investors are good because of their skills and temperament, and many investors are mediocre or even bad due to various reasons. It is quite difficult to pinpoint reasons why some investors don't do very well. It is time for all investors to assess themselves seriously and judge whether they are really doing well or not. Now coming to a beautiful topic, how to assess whether your portfolio is doing well. If you have a $0 demat account, there is a feature to check XIRR or CAGR of your portfolio. You just need to click on the portfolio in your Kite app and click on analysis and then view portfolio XIRR. If your portfolio is more than 1 year old, you'll be able to see what is yearly returns your portfolio has given. This XIRR feature may be also available in other trading apps as well. You need to check. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರಿಂದ. Here is an announcement for all channel members. Tomorrow, 30th July, Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. is a live question answer session on YouTube on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. At the end of the video, here is a question. Do you think your portfolio has beaten mutual fund returns during the period of your investment? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.